Ever wonder what powers the fearsome atom bomb? It's a question that has captivated and terrified mankind since its creation nearly a century ago. The answer? A rather unassuming grayish-white metal known as uranium. Today we delve into the complex and fascinating process of turning this raw material into a weapon of unprecedented power. We start with uranium mining, a process that extracts the radioactive element from the earth. Uranium occurs naturally, often found in granite or shale. Miners drill deep into the earth, extracting the ore that contains our crucial ingredient. From the mine, the uranium ore is transported to a mill where it's crushed into a fine powder. This powder is then treated with chemicals to produce yellowcake, a uranium concentrate powder. Despite its benign-sounding name, yellowcake is far from a sweet treat. It's the first step toward creating a nuclear weapon. The next step is uranium enrichment. Natural uranium contains less than 1% of uranium-235, the isotope needed for a nuclear bomb. To increase this percentage, the yellowcake undergoes a series of chemical reactions, transforming it into uranium hexafluoride gas. This gas is then spun in centrifuges, a process that separates the heavier uranium-238 from the lighter, more volatile uranium-235. Enrichment continues until the uranium-235 content is between 85 to 90%. This highly enriched uranium, or HEU, is the heart of an atomic bomb. But it's not quite ready to explode just yet. The HEU is then fabricated into metal. This involves a series of complex chemical reactions to transform the uranium from a gas back into a solid, but this time it's a highly radioactive and immensely powerful metal. The final step is weaponization. The enriched uranium metal is shaped into a sphere and surrounded by conventional explosives. When these explosives are detonated, they compress the uranium sphere, triggering a nuclear chain reaction. This results in a massive explosion, releasing a destructive force unlike anything else on Earth. In summary, the creation of an atom bomb from uranium is a complex process that starts with mining and ends with weaponization. It involves several stages of chemical reactions and physical transformations, all aimed at increasing the concentration of uranium-235. This enriched uranium is then shaped and surrounded by conventional explosives, creating a weapon of immense power. But it's important to remember this knowledge is not intended to be used for destructive purposes. The goal is to foster understanding and promote responsible use of nuclear technology. As we've seen, uranium's power can be harnessed for destruction, but it can also be used for peaceful purposes, such as generating electricity or advancing medical research. It's a reminder that the power of the atom is not inherently good or evil, but lies in how we choose to use it.